Hey, this is Evan from Octane Electrons. Let's check out the LASFIT LED fog light conversions for the Jeep Gladiator. So, not too long ago I installed their LED headlights and they were awesome. So, I got a set of the LED bulbs for the fog lights. So again, they're really nicely made. Large LED chips, aluminum heatsink, OEM style connectors, and the modules for them. So it has everything you need to plug in right there. And let's start with what the stock lights look like. So here's the stock halogen fog lamps. You can see they're pretty yellowish and they did an okay job, but once you go to the LED headlights, there's just no comparison. They're almost stock lights are almost useless. So anyways, we're gonna swap these out. I decided not to try and film it at night because because there's just with the LED lights, you have to have the headlights on to turn on the fog lights, and they get so overshadowed you can't even see them. So anyways, that's what we're starting with. Let's look at what you have to do to install them. So here is the panel that has to come loose. You can see Jeep decided to use the amazingly frustrating little plastic clips where you have to pry out the outer clip first and then you can pry out the inner clip. So not too hard. Pry those out all the way around the inner panel here. And then there is two of these larger style clips. They work the same way, but they have a larger button on them. And you have to remove both of those. And they're kind of hard to see, but there's one, and the other one's tucked up underneath that little hole. And you have to remove those as well. Okay, then you are able to get just enough play here in the cover. It's really hard to do with one hand. Let's see. All right, let me get it ready, and then I will show you in the next clip. We'll install the light. One sec. Okay, so I have the panel pulled back here. Try to get my camera to focus. Okay, so the clip for the connector is plugged in right here to the light. Very easy to remove. Just press down right there with your thumb. That is the release. So you press down, pull back, connector pops right out. That's easy. Okay, now I already have the bulb loose. So you can see it fits just like that. To release it, top and bottom, there's these little clips. So you need to press with two fingers, thumb and middle finger, top and bottom, and then kind of wiggle it, and the bulb will pop out. So here you can see the bulb and the two connectors. So each of these tabs, top and bottom, is what you press to release it. Okay, so here's our new light. You can see it has the same clip tab, so they'll install the same way. I've already plugged it into the driver or resistor. I'm not quite sure what it is, but you can see on the bulb itself there's a round connector here. It's keyed or offset, so it can only go in one way. You plug it right in there, and then you slide up right here the threaded collar and tighten it together. And so that's what attaches the bulb to its module. And then your connector will plug in just like the original. So let me get this plugged in and we'll show you that. All right, so let's sure I can focus down there. There you can see the bulb is plugged in just like the original. And the two clips, you get to focus there, just clip right on like the original. The bulb is sitting inside of like a rubber bushing here, so it supports it. Okay, and I have put the module here where the wiring runs through. There's a nice little space right there, and the wiring can sit just in place. And then clipped the connector together, and that's it. Easy install. So let me button this up. I'll do the other side, and the other side's the exact same way, and then we'll show the difference. Okay, install was exactly the same on the other side. I did notice you can't actually get these panels off just removing here, 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 and here. So there was enough play. I think I probably could have done it on the other side without removing the bottom. The bottom helped to get a little more, but I was able to pry it back just fine. So maybe don't remove the bottom clips. They are a little more difficult. All right, let me turn on my lights here. Okay, and let's go check it out. Sweet. So there's the full LASFIT LED setup. Headlights and both fog lights. And they're awesome. They put out a lot of light. I feel like if you're doing the headlights, you really should upgrade the fog lights as well, because like I said, the stock bulbs don't do much once you have the LED headlights. So really nice, cool upgrade. Definitely recommend it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my other videos. See ya.